Yes, please. If you have finished this, you tell me. We'll go for the next problem. Yes, can I start the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Right, done. So next is your number four, problem number 4. See the diagram once. It looks very complicated, but it is almost same like the last problem. Okay, please copy the question. So the water flows through a pipe AB. So instead of telling pipe 1, 2, 3, 4, he said with words like AB, BC, CD, and CE. Right. So water flows through a pipe AB. So nothing but this first part is your pipe AB, whose diameter is 1.2 meters, and velocity of water at that is 3 meters per second. So we have to write in this way, VAB, nothing but velocity in the pipe AB. So 3 meters per second and passes through a pipe BC. So the second part is B to C. BC is 1.5 meter dia. At point C, the pipe branches. So at point C, the pipe will be branched into two parts. That is, one is CD and one is CE. So branch CD is 0.8 meter in diameter and carries 1/3 of flow in AB. What is the meaning of this? Carries 1/3 of flow in AB. So suppose if you see the discharge here is QAB in AB. So QCD will be equal to 1/3 of Q of AB. That is the meaning here. Flow. 1/3 of the flow in AB. So QCD, this is nothing but discharge in CD is equals to 1/3 of discharge in AB. So that is this sentence which is given here. So it carries 1/3 of flow in AB. So 1/3 will be flown into CD. So the remaining will be flowed into CE. If you take the section AB into consideration. Okay. Right. So next, the velocity of branch C is given to us. So in the branch C, the velocity is given 2.5 meters per second. So find the volume rate of flow or general same rate of flow or volume rate of flow is also same because we are getting meter cube per second as the unit. Right. So find the volume rate of flow in AB. Nothing but is asking to find QAB. Rate of flow in AB. QAB you need to find. Next, find the velocity in BC. So we need to find VBC and we need to find velocity in CD. So VCD we need to find and diameter of CE we need to find. So many things are there here to find out. QAB we need to find, VBC we need to find, VCD we need to find and diameter of CE, DCE we need to find. So please copy the question. Just inform me after copying it. Draw the diagram also. Just copy it firstly. Yes, have you finished copying the question? Right. So please write down the given data. So what are the things he has given to write that? So first he gave the diameters of 3 parts and 1 part is missing. So what was that one is missing is this one. CE diameter we don't know, that we need to find. So diameter of section AB, DAB, right, like this, D suffix AB, DAB equal to 1.2 meter. Diameter at section BC, DBC equal to 1.5 meter. Diameter at section CD is DCD 0.8 meters. Next, he gave 2 velocities. At velocity at the section AB, BAB equal to 3 meters per second. Velocity at section CE, BCE is equal to 2.5 meters per second. So these are the data which are given to us. These 5 things are the data given. So after that, immediately you find out the cross-sectional areas where you have diameters. We don't have diameter CE, so we cannot find this AC. So first to find out cross-sectional area of pipe AB. Write on that point, cross-sectional area of pipe AB. You write on cross-sectional area of the pipe AB is pi by 4 DAB square. So pi by 4 into 1.2 square. Pi by 4 into 1.2 square.
1.13097, sir.
It's not clear.
1.13097, sir.
13097. Okay. Next, similarly, find areas at BC and CD. CE we cannot do because
1.76714, sir.
1.76714 meter square. Next, area at this 0.
0.50265, sir.
50265.
265, sir.
Okay, done. Others, please check whether all the areas are correct or not. This thing we cannot find. Yes, done. So this part we cannot find at present because we don't have diameter of CE that we need to find. So I'm removing that, no need of that. And 2 points which he mentioned is this one. So what is that in question? If you see, the pipe C is branches. After branching, what happens? The branch CD 0.8 meter in diameter carries 1/3 of flow in AB. So that condition also we need to take. So what he said, discharge in CD is equals to 1/3 of discharge in AB. So that is QCD equal to QAB by 3. Okay. Any doubt in this part? QCD equal to QAB by 3. Since he said that discharge of CD is 1/3 of discharge in AB. So we need to take this condition. Okay. Similarly, so what we know here, if you see the pipe here, QAB is again changed, it's again branched into 2. So from the last problem, if you see, Q1 equal to Q2 plus Q3 we have taken. So same thing will apply here. So QAB equal to QCD plus QCE. QAB is equals to QCD plus QCE. So from that, we can take QCE. We need QCE. So QCE equal to QAB minus QCD. Any doubt in this? So before writing this QCE equal to QAB minus QCD, you can write one more term, that is QAB is equals to QCD plus QCE. Yes, are you able to understand what I'm telling? QAB equal to QCE plus QCD. So from that, we can find QCE equal to QAB minus QCD. Okay, then we already know QCD equal to QAB by 3. So that term you can substitute here to get QCE equal to QAB minus QAB by 3. Yes, if you have any doubt in this, please ask now only. The last 2 lines of this slide, you can check whether if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I will go for the next slide. Yes. So next slide. So first, we need to find what he asked us to find. He asked us to find the discharge in the pipe AB. So find QAB. So QAB equal to, already we know, velocity into area, cross-sectional area. So already we have VAB. What is VAB value? 3 meters per second, and QAB is 1.13097. So substitute these two values, then find the discharge value.
Three point 39291, sir.
39291 meter cube per second. Please write the units. Okay. 3.39291. Yes, please check the answer whether it is correct.
Yes, sir.
3.392. Right. So next, what he asked us to find, second point, he asked us to find the velocity in the pipe BC. So now you apply the continuity equation for the first two sections of the pipe, nothing but at pipe AB and at pipe BC, if you take as the two sections, what we know as per the continuity equation, discharge in AB is equal to discharge in BC. So QAB is equal to QBC. You're considering only first two parts, AB and BC. So from this, you need to find VBC. So what is QAB? Already we have the value here. So QBC you can write as ABC into VBC. So from that, VBC equal to QAB by ABC. So you'll get your VBC value. Okay. Any doubt here? If you have doubt, you ask me, I'll tell. Solve it slowly. So VBC equal to QAB by area of BC.
1.9200, sir.
1.920. So 1.92 meter per second. Yes, others, please solve and check whether the same answer you're getting or not. 1.92 meters per second. Right, after that, you need to find the velocity in the pipe CD. So how you'll find? First, we need to find velocity in the pipe CD. So VCD equal to QCD by ACD. Do we have QCD value? So QCD you can write as VCD into what is QCD value now? How you will get this QCD?
QAB divided by 3, sir.
Very good.
Third.
So after writing this step, you can write one more step is equals to QAB by 3 divided by ACD. Because we have written already here. QCD is equals to QAB by 3. So that step again you can write here. QCD equal to QAB by 3. So what you will get? QCD is equals to 1.13 divided by 3 here. So QCD is equals to 1.13 divided by ACD value already we have. So you'll get your VCD equal to
2.25.
2.25 meters per second. So last thing which we need to find is diameter of the pipe CE. So to find CE, already I said two equations from here. CE is equals to QAB minus QAB by 3. Okay, so first you find that QAB minus QAB by 3, you get something. So tell that value, QCE value. QAC is 3.39 minus QCD is 3.39. Already we found it here. That is 1.13. So which is equals to 2.2.
2.26194, sir.
2.26 one na?
Yes, sir. 194.
Okay, yes, fully you have kept this. Okay, right. So after getting QCE value, so what is QCE equal to? ACE into VCE. So from that ACE term I have kept here. So ACE equal to QCE by VCE. Write that term. After writing this, QCE equal to ACE into VCE. So from that ACE equal to QCE into VCE. So there you'll get your ACE, you can write it as pi by 4 DCE square equal to QCE by VCE. So from this we need only DCE. So under root of 4 QCE divided by VCE into pi, you'll get that equation, and finally you'll get your diameter in the CE. Slowly you do here. This part you do it slowly. You'll get diameter finally. Yes, solve DCE value. So what you will get under root of 4 into QCE 2.26, under root of 4 into 2.2619 divided by VCE value is 2.5 into pi. Yes, anybody with DCE value? Diameter of the pipe CE. Yes, 1.07. Somebody gave the answer. 1.07 meters. Okay. So this is DCE. If you have any doubt, I will tell in the next class this last part because time is almost finished. Okay. Yes, anybody who need time to copy this, or shall I stop the class?
Sir, 1.32.
0.32. Check it properly. This last part we'll solve in the next class again. Don't worry. So up to the third point, if you are finished, you can leave the class. I'm stopping the class now. Time is over. Next class will be started. No? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Up to third point, I think everybody has copied. So I'm stopping
sir.
the class now. Right. Done. Right. Okay. Okay. Right.